In this video, I'm going to show you one of the best free VPN services called Proton VPN. It was created by the Switzerland company, and of course it has not free version, but today we are going to speak about the free one. So to get this VPN, all you need is just to go to a website called protonvpn.com. After that, you'll come to this page. Basically, it's in English, and to change the language, you can click here in the right top corner and then just choose the necessary one. I'll stay in English. To use this VPN, you need to create your own account in this service, but it's totally safe, so let's get started. To do this, just choose create free account in this top menu, so just click on it. After that, all we need to click on get free VPN. So as you can see, we can see different variants of plans, so we can buy a plan or just use it for free. We can find the differences that we can have only one VPN connection, strict no logics policy, medium VPN speed, so sometimes it could be not that good as you want, but it's still very good. 100 plus services in 3 countries, so we have the US, the Japan, and something more, but the paid plan has of course more advantages than this one. But let's get started with Proton VPN free. So it's totally free, as you can see. So click on get VPN free, and after that we just need to create our new account. So we need to enter our username. It doesn't matter what username will we input. After that, we just need to create the password, so let it be like something like this, and here we need to input our email address. Input the correct one, because after that we'll have to prove our account. We'll have to start it by proving our email address right up here. So I won't create because I already have my account, but this is the way how you can do this. So I will just go to the main page right up here and we'll just sign in. So after that, after creating, you just need to sign in this way. Maybe it will be auto sign in, I don't even remember, but this is the way how we can do this. So just click on sign in. And after that, we'll open our Proton VPN personal page. So here we can see different plans, but we can see that our current plan is just a free one. So this is totally free. Now we need to download the app to use our VPN. So in the left side menu, just go to downloads page right up here and find the Proton VPN client. So as you can see here, we can find different ways, different apps we can download for Android, for iOS, Windows, macOS, Linux, Chromebook, or just Android TV. I've already downloaded the macOS app, but the interface on the others, for Windows for example, is the same, so this tutorial will be still useful and helpful. So after that, after you'll download this archive or maybe just even app, you will have access to download it on your laptop. So just do it, and after that you will have the app called Proton VPN. It looks like this. And let's get started to open it. So if we'll click, we can see the interface, which is quite interesting. It looks modern, by the way, and everything is ready to create our first connection for Proton VPN. To do this, all we need is just to click on quick connection. So after that, it will be automatically connected to necessary service, because it's like choosing yourself. Now I'm not connected because I'm connected via not through Wi-Fi. So just keep in mind. So we can also choose the necessary country we want to use, like Japan, Netherlands, or United States. So as you can see here, we can find a lot of different servers from Japan, for example. We can find servers which are not full, for example, this one, or this one, and try to connect to them. So we can do the same even with our Netherlands. Netherlands are right up here, and the US. So basically I suggest you to connect to US servers, because from there we can achieve much more different websites we want to visit or something like this. So after that we can also try to find some other functions here, here, or here, but I don't think that it's necessary. So after that we can find that also in our toolbar, in our app, there is a icon of this app. So here we can also choose different functions we can use. So just quick connect or something like this, fastest, random. To the fastest one, for example, we can just try to connect to the faster servers to the United States. Basically it doesn't give me access, it doesn't matter. So this is the way how we can connect to our connect the VPN to our laptop or mobile, guys. So what is more interesting, that sometimes it's necessary to log into this account. So how can we do this? Basically all you will need to do in this app is just to input data from your account. So when you're logged in, you need to input this login and the password you set for your online browser, for your website account. So basically this is the way how we can do this. If you go to our account on our website, we can also find different things we want to see. Some open VPN or usernames, our mail, or something like this. If you go to our dashboard, we can also find different plans. So if you would like to use these VPN like paid plan, you can also select this and pay for it right up here. So if you'll try to compare it, we can find that there are a lot of differences. So honestly, I think that the best one is just VPN Plus, without any like Proton Unlimited or something like this. So only €5. I think it's really cheap if you need VPN to use a lot. So this is a way how you can just go from free plan to the paid plan. I hope, guys, this tutorial was helpful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and watch my other tutorials. Goodbye.